Hello everyone, my name is Sai Prasad Subudhi. I am from OAV Nandahandi, Navarampur. I am reading class 6th. I feel very proud to have being a part of the PaddhO. Now I teach about pronoun guided by Swarna ma'am. Let's start. Pronoun is the second part of speech, and the meaning of the pronoun is a word that is used in the place of the noun, that called pronoun. And we used pronoun to stop the repetition of the noun and the word makes shorter. We use the pronoun because we made a word beautiful, shorter, and stop the repetition of the noun. Because when we repeat the noun again and again, so our sentence is not suitable. So we use the pronoun. Like we say, Ram is a good boy, Ram is playing well, Ram is reading in class 6, Ram is achieved first position in his school, Ram is a good boy. So this sentence very long and very bad to listen it, and there are many, we repeat many times noun like Ram, Ram, Ram. Then we use the pronoun, so our sentence like this type. Ram is a good boy, he is read well, he is a good boy, he is play well, he achieved the first position in his school. This is the pronoun. He is the pronoun. Then our second question. What is types of pronoun? What type of pronoun? Pronoun divided by 6 types. The name of the 6 types of pronouns are personal pronoun and possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and demonstrative pronoun. Then our interrogative pronoun. Then indefinite pronoun. Our personal pronoun. The meaning of the personal pronoun is it refers to a particular and a specific person or thing. Like he is a boy, she is a girl, I am a children, I am a good boy, he is a good boy. That in this sentence we use he. He is a personal pronoun. The examples of the personal pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, and she, and it. And we make some sentences using the personal pronoun. That sentences are I am going to market. He is a good boy. They are playing very well. She is a girl. It is a ball. Okay? It is our personal pronoun. Then our second type of the pronoun is possessive pronoun. It refers to a ownership. It is mine, and it refers to a ownership with a position. It is mine pen. I read well. I achieved the first position. It is my pen. He is his father. She is his mother. They are his son. Like this is called possessive pronoun. And the examples of the possessive pronoun is like our mine, her, and mine, her, his, them, and last one is its. This is the possessive pronoun. Then our third pronoun, reflexive pronoun. It refers to a back to the subject of a sentence. It refers to a back to the subject of a sentence. Sorry. Then our example is myself, himself, themself, and themself, herself, himself, myself, themselves, ourselves, yourselves. These types. Then the sentences are: it is his chair. He play cricket with his friends. Like this. These are called reflexive pronoun. Then our fourth pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Our demonstrative pronoun is, this meaning is, it refer or point a particular thing or a particular person. Like this, that, those, these, etc. In the sentence, the examples of in the sentence, this is his car. It points a particular car. This is his car. Then these are his pens. It refers to a particular thing. This is demonstrative pronoun. Then our fifth pronoun is interrogative pronoun. The meaning is, we used it to ask something, ask a question to a person or a thing. Like examples are who, whose, who, whose, what, whom, which, and etc. In the examples are and we ask a question, and we in this answer of this question, this make in a particular noun or a pronoun. This is called a interrogative pronoun. Like we say, what is your name? He say me, his name is श्याम, राम, जो भी हो सकता है. Then in this sentence he used my name, जो my name. Then श्याम, my is a pronoun and श्याम is a noun. When its sentence is a interrogative pronoun. Then our last pronoun is indefinite pronoun. The meaning of this pronoun is, it refers to a non-specific thing, like something, someone, so many, nobody, no one, someone. It's our indefinite pronoun.